Hi, James. Hi, James. Oh, how are you, buddy? Oh, man, it's still early. Oh, back on it. Back to stream. I've got to get used to it again. Morning, chill and relax. Morning. Oh, man, I didn't sleep too good last night again. My sleeping pattern's well out of whack. Ah, Spec 360. Thank you. Welcome as well. Welcome back. As you can see, it's another Kef Cube. I've had one of these before. It's too big to fit under the camera. Hello, Undergrow. Hello. Too big to fit under the camera, but as soon as I take the board out, it'll be fine. I can't remember what the repair was on the last one. I think it was the capacitor, wasn't it? Bogdan. Hello, Bogdan. Oh, you only say good morning to James, not to me. What? Yeah, hey, Phil. Thanks, Dream Elements. Why you said that, I don't look enough like Simon Pegg anymore. So, good morning. I'm pretty sure it was the capacitor. What was that? What was that? What's that fouling on? Oh, SD card reader. Good morning to all of you wonderful people. That's better. Thank you. Hello, Tom. I'm okay. Thank you. I couldn't respond to your email because where you responded to the invoice, I can't reply to them. So I couldn't really I couldn't respond to you. I've had that before with the customer. They replied to the invoice email, and I'm like, oh, I can't reply back to you. So I had to wait for them to call me. Oh, my head hurts a little bit too. Hello, Symbol Tech. Hi. All right, let me get into this thing. Using my repaired screwdriver because it broke on me. The diode broke. Perfect. He'll be streaming at 11. Little shit. Excuses. No, I could show you me trying to respond to you. You can see that it says cannot reply to this email. Yeah, if you don't mind emailing me through normal email. Yeah, chill and relax. If your screwdriver breaks, it's not covered under warranty. Oh, this has been into before. One of these screws have, yeah, they've been into this already. I've had two already, Phil, and that's usually how much I have all day. I only have two. Unbelievable. Yeah. Because it was sold by a third party seller. The plastic, yeah, I know, yeah, but there is still a fuse in there, as you can see. Oh, is that all of it? No, still one more screw. I've got another sub. Some reason I love subs. I think the fuse is fine. I actually supposed to test it first. I had never tested it. Oops, big mistake. Yeah, fuse is fine. Let me try my dim bulb tester. Make sure we don't go bang when I plug it in. Unfortunately, you guys can't really see because my camera's quite low down and I don't want to lift it all up. Here we go, ready? Bang! I'm joking. Let's turn it on. 3, 2, 1. We get a flash and then a nothing. So it's all good. Actually, that plug's not plugged in properly. Oh, is that as far as that plug goes in? Whoa, I guess it is. Anyway, watch this. Yeah, it's charged the main cap, so the power supply is fine with it, I guess. Yeah, it's not going to flash now because current. Damn it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Nah, it's not going to flash now. Oh, well, who's that already? Oh, AliExpress has started to ship deliveries now, orders, just to let you know. Oh, second attempt, you little shit. Shut up, Tom. Thank you. Yeah, I read the previous message. I just couldn't reply to it. Oh, hi, LT. Bye. Laters. Right, let's get this thing out. And then I could inspect what's going on. I'm pretty sure it will be a capacitor. Oh, no. You need to change your YouTube link on your website. Why? Is it broken? Oh, I know why it's broken. Thank you, Tom. Yeah, it's because I changed from... Oh, no. I should be able to get into it. Morning, Mookie. It's because I changed from... What's it called? A brand account to a standard account, or vice versa. I don't know what it is. Yep, change username. No, it's because I changed my account. Damn it, that's such a pain to do as well. Thanks, Tom. Oh, for God's sake, I hate these connectors. I know they've got that little button. Oh, God. This kind of looks all damaged. I'm going to get pliers in a minute and just squeeze it. So, it looks like it's got a casing on it. I thought I must not have been a Cube 2 that I repaired last time. Must have been another one. There we go. Because this one is kind of enclosed in itself. So I have to access it from the front, I guess. Unscrew a couple of these screws. Or maybe it's just those two. Yo, Tommy! Hello, Mookie. Yeah, I can't believe my screwdriver broke. It's still not 100% now. It doesn't fully charge. It'll always keep blinking on the last stage, and it's only drawing like 60 milliamps. But it is charged. Very weird. And it's not the easiest to get into, actually. I kind of had to pry this bit off, and it was really difficult. And the ball bearing fell out, and yeah, I fixed it in the end anyway. Did you fix the speaker that was zapping the customer? Yeah. I did, Tom. Can't remember the brand name. It was, I don't know what it was. But yeah, that was, it was nothing wrong with the speaker, Tom. It was the cable. They basically had a cable with a broken neutral line. So it just had earth and live. Hello, EDM. Can't you just complain to Amazon and return? I didn't get it from Amazon, Aussie. I got it from eBay. It was only £28, so. And obviously eBay only have a 1 month return policy thing. Right, let me see if I can pry this open now. Or do I need to undo everything? I wouldn't have thought so. No. Okay, cool. This has definitely been into before. Oh no. It's got that corrosive glue, I think. Pieces just fell out. Or that could just be burnt. I don't know. Sweet, easy fix. It was, yeah. Hey, go, Andy. I see another amp, my favourite. Hello, Mike. Yeah, I seem to always bloody get these things. Look at the size of that cap. Jeez. Right, let me disconnect these. Oh, that's not annoying. What is that? Oh, it's the earth cable. It's on a spade connector. Oh man, that's annoying. Go away. Urgh. Where's the button for it? There you go. So every time I test it, I've got to bloody earth it. Only £28 must be rich down south. Yeah, £27.99 on eBay. Amps are generally easy to fix. Yeah. Yeah, this is no power. Oh man, I'm literally going to have to take it all out. Just doing a visual look with my eyes. I want to discharge that huge cap. So we know obviously the AC side's probably fine. It'll be after the bridge rectifier. Or it could be this board here. That's the preamp, right? That's the main actual amp chip, I guess, is underneath this shield. Okay, I'm going to have to get the whole thing out. Less chat in chat for you then. Looks like I've been demoted from all chat. Looks like I've been demoted from all chat. What do you mean? What do you mean by that, Tom? I don't understand. Deamorted. Wait, do I need to undo that? No. No, I don't. Just disconnect it. And that's all of these. The caps can come off. No retracting messages. Yes. Oh, you bugger. Oi! Oh, I snorted. Okay. Oh, that was only for the preamp. Bugger. How's that looking anyway? That looks to be the issues, you know. That is crusty. Well, that's only on the switch. I'm going to have to plug it in and test it, haven't I? See where the voltage is stopping. See if we're getting any output. If it's this board or the other board. Ah, we've got a leaking cap. Oh no, that could be the glue. Oh, there's rust there as well. Oh, that could be the glue stuff as well. Why do they do that? Well, that happens as well. Why Microsoft running Copilot's ad? I don't know. Ask it. Oh, Jesus. Oh, I'm going to end up just pulling the whole connector off in a minute. It'll be easier. I think YouTube's becoming more strict on words. Why? What's people trying to say? Yeah, I had some sort of new notification saying that the moderation's changed as well. So now you could have moderators that can manage blocked words and stuff. There we go.
I've got a really small one.
Yep, done that. Hello,
I'm not
Pico.
joking. It's like...
Is it MK? Oops. Right. Now can I get into it? Whoops. If I say my comments were getting deleted? No, no way. Really? Right, any more? Yeah, there's one more down there. Yeah, Castle said it. I did notice though, sometimes when I type something, sometimes the messages doesn't, it says it's sent and everything, but if I look on my TV, it doesn't actually show up, so I have to type it again. Using Payment Pal gives you more time to claim on faulty flea bait purchases. Yeah, I'll try that. I'll try and use PayPal. Payment Pal? What are you on about PayPal? Must be just me. Maybe. I get that problem all the time, deletes my comment, but if I say the same thing again, it appears. What do you mean by it deletes your comment? Oh, James is just joking because he retracted his message. Yeah, it just happened to me. What? Does it actually say it's been deleted or something? Oof. That's going to get messy. This is going to get really messy.
And he's the best.
Thanks, Russ. All right, let me discharge that cap. Oh, I don't know how many volts is in it, but... Oh, dead. No, it still shows, but if you go back on the stream and refresh, comment disappears. Yeah, I've got that issue as well. Yeah, I've got that issue as well, James. And is that through the Genuine app? Because it also does it on my Revanced as well. So if I'll do it right now, look. Sorry, Yeti, just using you, mate. So I'll do test.
The price of things right now?
Close it. Back into it. Oh, it's connected to Wi-Fi.
Shuck them.
Oh, it's still there. But yeah, sometimes it
Test?
does it for me on the browser. Oh.
What are you testing it?
Sorry, Yeti. Sorry. Nothing. Lol.
Here, this is my response to your test.
Oh, he's got a multimeter. Oh, thank you. Right, okay, so I put sorry, nothing, and thank you. Let's see if they stay. Sorry, nothing. Oh, no, yeah, right, it worked that time, but... Anyway, let me give a bit of a probe around what that capacitor is. I'm assuming the capacitor is charging. So it'd be after the optocouplers, this side. Where is the bridge rectifier? Oh, it's there. So it'd be on this side here. Oh, here we go. Started already. I need to find something to cover that up or take it off, actually. That'll probably be the best bet, wouldn't it? To take it off. Right, the longer one goes through the metal bracket. Sup, Nandy? Whoa. Hello, Ryan. You will have to authenticate on YouTube soon for comments to be allowed. What do you mean? Verify age verification? Is that what you mean? All right, now I still want more screw. There we go. Wait, what? Looks like whatever died left evidence on the black plastic on the case. Oh, yeah. You can see the heat. What? Thank you. I didn't see that. Damn, that did explode. So something at the bottom here then. Let's see whereabouts that would have been. That would have been somewhere around here. It's definitely on the cold side. Doesn't look like it's blown. Oh, don't say it's a bloody diode. I bet I could just look under the thermal cam and it'll show.
Hello viewers, it's that time of the year once
Eh?
again where we have the official manufacturer's cup. Now, as this is a
Okay,
manufacturer's
thanks.
cup,
Put it in
we
the
do have
bin
to choose
then.
a brand.
Oh.
I'm going to go with
Okay.
Prancing Horse of Ferrari. And with Ferrari, we have the 458 Italia.
Sorry, I watched Super GT. I don't know if anyone else watches him. Just automatically started playing. Yeah, so I got this Bluetooth speaker, and it was a bitch to open. Basically, the owner completely mangled the port, and he obviously it looked like it was twisting it, and it just pulled every single pad off and stuff. My penis is small. Thanks, Jason. Panty raid. Whoops, Yeti raid. Oh, thanks, Yay. Yay. Final man. Hello, Michael. Michael, Yeti raid. Nice. Thank you, Yeti. You didn't need to raid. My penis is small. Yeah, let's give it a test. I could just cheat and put it under the scope. Thermal cam. Yeah, it's definitely exploded. Oh, now I've wiped it away. It might not be. Don't know, it might just be oil. No, it's fine. It's fine, 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 fine. Might look under the scope for a visual first. Oh, there's so many options. It's definitely the cold side issue. I don't want to plug it in yet. Or maybe it's not even a power supply issue. I'll have to check the outputs. See what voltage we're getting. That's fine. Yeah, I'm gonna have to plug it in. Check the outputs. Test diode in diode mode. Nah. It's quicker for continuity. I'll only go into diode mode if there is a short. But yeah, I'll go into diode mode, although it's going to be fine. If they're not shorted, they're generally fine. 0.5 or 0.6, whatever that is. Yeah, 0.6. It's going to get Ronaldo. What's that mean? At least not detachable. Someone wrote a song about it a long time ago. Did they? Oh, I'm such behind. Oh no. Yep, let's plug it in. Actually, let's do a visual underneath the scope. Chill and relax. You need to change your scope settings in copyright. Copyright. Hello, Swindon Electronic Repairs. Good morning. Yep. I'm afraid I don't do retro older consoles. Sorry. No, I have no idea, to be fair. All right, thank you. Bye. Xbox 360. No, thanks. Worth like 10, 20 quid. Michael, word up. Yeah, I'll do it in a minute. I don't know how many people are watching. Morning, Rick. All right, let's start off with here. So, 7 p.m. UK time, Michael DeLima is going to stream Resident Evil 7 Biohazard on PC with the... Oh, look! Oh, I thought that was broken. Is that broken? No, it's not. Resident Evil 7 Biohazard with his lights off and only a slight glow on his face. So we all go... Oh, I'm going to go over there and watch him stream it. It's going to be amazing. I will share. I'll share his link. Yeah, Resident Evil 7 Biohazard. What settings do I need to alter, bud? If I show you, I can't show you. Damn it. Okay, so basically, you're under your microscope. Go to your sources. So pretend this is my microscope settings. Double click it. Go to configure video. Then you just play with the settings in here. Usually what I do is I turn up the brightness to about 150. No, 160. No, 170. I put my brightness up to. But I'm using a ring light, so mine's going to be completely different to yours. I'm using a diffuser sort of thing. What's it called? Anti-glare. So you just mess around with these settings. The brightness and the contrast and the white balance. Or you go to camera control and then you've got like exposure settings as well to make it brighter or darker. Just mess with settings inside there. Andy, remove the brown glue, comes conductive. You can't see it go black. Starting to see it go black. Yeah, I know. I want to find the fault first before I do that. So let's have a look. Anything jumping out? Oh, I'm definitely going to look on the cold side rather than the hot side. So this is the cold side. Start off from here. There's not really much of that black stuff, thankfully. I mean, conductive glue. Okay, buddy, thank you. Yes, dialogue is good if you don't have a vendor app. What? Wouldn't it be funny if there was actually nothing wrong with the power supply side of it? It's the actual other board. Oh, I'm going to have to plug it in and I am wasting time doing this. So the only thing that I noticed on the other side of the board was this. Wait, is it that one? No, it was on the other board. No, it's not this one. Yo, GP! Andy, remove your red already. Link to Michael Delima's channel for a stream later today. Oh, thank you. You did it. Nice. Thanks, Falcon. Yes, I am so excited to watch it. I love watching people play horror games. So that could become conductive technically. Let's go into diode. Let's have a look. No, it's not conductive yet. But it might do. That might just be rosin, actually. Oh, I'm going to have to plug it in and measure, and I... It's annoying. Yeah, it's like rosin. Looks like flux. Yeah, I'm into horror games, and I've played a few good ones. Yeah, same. Looks like rosin. I've just said that, EDM. Hello, Joseph. Yes, you did make it. Made it. You make it and made it. On here, it just doesn't look good. On top of that capacitor. Come on, focus. Come on, focus. That's just the glue, though. That's not bulging. But you never know. Don't like what they've used. Look how like that's started to eat away. That's not rust. That's the glue. Why would they put glue on that? Yeah, all right, EDM. Oh, I didn't look underneath here. Yeah, see, look at that. That's just the switch, though, so I'm not too fussed about that. That's not an on and off switch. I don't know what switch that's for, but you look gross. Andy, are your streamer bots working? What's that? Should do. Think so. Yeah, my streamer bot should be working. Nobody's done a command. It was working earlier.
I've got a really small one.
Have you, James? Oh no! Look at all that.
I'm not joking.
Yeah,
It's
all right,
like-
it's working. I get it. Oh. Thanks, guys. on the large board. Looks like the big chip has blown out track on the large board. You're on about on the power supply side, not the preamp. What large chip? Oh, I thought that was just me spitting. If you're on about this chip, I thought that was my spit. Oh no, that's nothing. If that's what you're referring to. On the back. You're on about on this one. This is the back. A large chip. I didn't see no blowout. There is no. You're on about this. On the back. Yo, PLD. What's up? Can we get I worry about the younger generation command? I don't want to add no more commands. Andy's spitting. Let's hear a bar. It's a joke when I need a smoke and I ain't got no ID in the coat pocket. Stop it. Yeah, that one. This one. How do you know it's blown out then? Oh, I think you might be behind. Dreams. Oh, I'm just going to plug it in and see what happens. I saw a few bulge capacitors over there. Nah, they're not bulge. Oh, yeah, there is bulge capacitors. How did you see that? Yeah, look, this one's bulging slightly. And is that glue or is that just puke? Finally getting a chance to sit down. Done a bunch of work today. Got nothing done, it seems. But I did at least pick up a PNY 4060. Wow. Oh, now. Oh, nice. What are you currently running? Wow, that's a good eye you got there, Symbol Tech. Yeah, these are leaking caps. Yeah, they're leaking. What? No. Oh, man, this white stuff's coming everywhere again. No, it's going to need recapping then. I hate recapping. Lick them, see if they take toxic. Absolutely not. What's this? Weekly. Oh, don't worry about that. Chill and relax. Have you seen your order on AliExpress now? Mine's moving. There's only 2 more that needs to be shipped now. Do not power without the heatsink on the amp chip. Really? Yeah, but even though you don't play music, does it get hot instantly? Symbol Tech. All right, let's test these capacitors. Starting with this one. Reads fine. This is a 1,000 UF. Wait, no. Yeah, it's supposed to be 1,000 UF, but it's reading at 3,000. How does that work out? Oh my god, this stuff is disgusting. Need gloves. That blown instant without heatsink. Damn, didn't know that. No, my stuff's been waiting for 10 days. Damn, sorry to hear that. PCDD, little ship. Hey. Let's try this big beefy one a second. Seems fine. Let's do that bulging one. Wait, that says capacitor and resistor. It's a bit weird. Oh, it's reading fine, but they're bulging. That's strange as well because it's even broken the white glue there. Look, see, that's not even me. I'm going to have to take them off, and it's obviously probably is a capacitor issue. Alright. Maybe it is a problem, but not the problem. That's why I want to plug it in and see if we're getting any output. And see where the voltage stops. I'm going to put the heatsink back on the amp board. Wait, where is it? For God's sake. It's gonna get messy, man. I'll just put a couple of screws in it. Plug it in, test. I said yes, EDM. That's what I'm doing. Joke, a joke. Okay. Now, I don't want to do this. I can't really I can't test much from the top of the board. All right, power's plugged in. I will put one screw down in the board just to keep it still. Go right in the middle. There you go. Should be okay. The amp chip is the one at the bottom side of the PCB. Yeah, that's the one I put the clamp on. Whoops. Yeah. Okay, let's try this. Make sure we'll see if we get any output here. I don't know which one the ground would be, so I'm going to have to use a ground from this capacitor. I'm using my dim bulb tester to make sure. Right, unplugged first, so I'm not going to shock myself like last time. It's unplugged. Yeah. Now I'm plugging it in. Watch the flash. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Lovely. Oh, for God's sake, dropped it. Whoops. You don't need the heat sink to test it. Well, I'm getting told two different things. Symbol Tech says I do. And you're saying I don't. The amp chip will get hot. Don't you have to pull them to test them? Can't get a copper reader. You can, but apparently this one can read in circuit. But not all the time. So I will test them out. If I'm not getting output voltage, then I'll take them out and test them. It's a bit of a long process, but right. Damn. So this currently isn't earthed. Is it safe to touch? Well, yes, it is earthed. Yeah, it is earthed. This always scares me when I go into AC voltage. Look. Oh no, it's not showing. Yeah, look. Oh, you can't even see. That always scares me seeing that. 250 volts. Vape. Yeah, thanks, Michael. Make sure I'm not getting shocked. Yeah, I'm not getting shocked. Output voltage. So swap the leads, although it doesn't make any difference. Let's check it. We're getting nothing on that one. Nothing on that one. Nothing on that one. Nothing on that one. I'm on AC. For God's sake. And you can't even see. There you go. Nandor. I think we are getting voltage, actually. Nothing. Oh, no, we're not. Yeah. Okay, it's probably a capacitor issue, isn't it? Let's test. Let's test. Don't know. Let's test over here. Nothing there neither. This diode. That's all over the place. That's probably AC side then, isn't it? Yeah, this is AC side. Obviously, AC side's perfect. 120 volts. So it is the DC side. Oh, it's going to be all the capacitors. Let's check this thing. Inductor is nothing. It's dead. Optocouple. Oh, that works. Oh, that's the AC side. DC side. Nothing that side. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. That's crazy. Surely there should be some on this capacitor. Nothing there neither. Is it the optocouples it's dead or the... Oh, it probably comes through this transformer, through the coil, and then through the caps, I guess. Goes that direction. Meter in DC. Yeah, it's in DC. I think it's a differential power supply. Yeah, I think it's probably capacitor related. Because am I getting any power there? No. Anything from transformer? I am on that side. Not this side. Let me get my thermal cam out. It might show something. Careful, man. I'm trying to be careful. I've got this plugged into my dim bulb, so if anything shorts, it should protect the board to an extent. There's only 2 of them, Chris. Sorry, EDM. Yeah, look, was something there heating up? That's normal, I guess. That's right next to the... No, it's not. It's a capacitor. No, it's not. It's under the cap. Something's heating up down there. Might be on the other side. Oh man, I can't get in there close enough. I might be on the underside. Oh, God's sake. I'm going to have to take, yeah, zap. I'm going to have to take it out and flip the board around. Okay. Let's unplug it. Try flip the board. Oh no, I bloody screwed it. No, I didn't screw it down. This is so dodgy. I hate it. Okay, we're not touching anything apart from the capacitor slightly touching the shield. Other side when the burn mark was. Yeah, I think you might be right. It's probably a diode. Might be that chip or the diode. We'll see. Plugging it back in. All right, turning it on in 3, 2, 1. Slight little glow. So that capacitor's discharging quick. But the AC side seems fine though. Yeah, look at that chip. It's 47 degrees. No, that seems normal though. That's probably normal. .48 degrees. What, on standby? Or not even Oh no, it's not on standby. It's turned on. What chip is it? It's a 48 degrees, 49 degrees C chip. Hold on. I think this is fine. The AC side's fine. Right, it's unplugged. Let's discharge the capacitor. Poor, stayed charged for ages, that. Pico, hi back. Lick it, see what happens. I'm not gonna do that. I mean, is that where the burn mark was? Yeah. Do you know what it actually was, though? Almost. Alright, let's see what that chip is. Couldn't find anything by searching 48.9C chip. Are you sure it's correct? Well, I took a screenshot, so it might be Carthor. Let's have a look. That bugger. 203D6. Let's have a look. Oh, my head starts to hurt. 203 Delta 6. Yep, there it is. It's on eBay, and it's on semiconductor. PWM current. PWM. It's for standby and short circuit protection. Current mode controller for universal offline supplies featuring standby and short circuit. Okay. Pinouts is edge feedback sets the peak current feedback. By connecting the optocoupler to this pin, the peak current set point is adjusted accordingly. Skip cycle occurs when feedback fails below V pin 1. Well, no. What? The driver's output to an external MOSFET. Yeah, it's a MOSFET driver then. Oh, driving pulses function. Yeah, it is to an external MOSFET somewhere. I'd swap out the barging caps and test again. Yeah, the AC side seems fine. Yeah, I'm going to have to... I don't have all these fancy caps. But yeah, the capacitors are obviously an issue, but probably not the issue. Maybe I'm just going to have to test them out of circuit, and Alright, let me take this heatsink off because, as you can see, I'm getting a right mess going on. Probably powers the optocouplers. Yeah, I was getting voltage to them anyway. Oh. Right, it's kind of going to minimize it a bit. Right, let's get these caps out. Because they're glued in, sort of. That one's not. This one looks dodgy, though. Carthor is still on all bulged cap. Carthor is all in on bulged cap. Give it 60 volts to be sure. I bet it's the bulge. All right, let me start with the bulged cap first. Okay. I mean, wow, that's wobbly as it is. That's literally loose. Anyway, so it's these 2 points here. Damn it. Need some under there. There you go. Fumey. Fuck. Sorry. There you go. You have a bulge right now? Jason. Stop it. It's the infamous shed of pleasure. Yeah, it is. Wobbly Bob. Yeah. Right. I'm using my BC1 again because I lowered the temperature on it and it seems to like it. Right, let me remove that now. Okay, cap removed. Now let me clear the holes. I've lost it. Oh, down here. Silver line. Damn it. This board's moving too much. How do? Just a reminder for everyone, Michael DeLima will be streaming a Resident Evil 7 Biohazard on PC, 7 PM UK time. Or I believe 1 PM Canadian time. Somewhere. Can't wait. Okay, so this is the bulged one. It's not bulged much, but it is bulging. And this is supposed to be a 1000 UF for 35 volts. Feet look okay. That would be 2 PM EST. Thank you, Daves. I love horror games. I love watching people play it as well. That's well under value, isn't it? 463. It's supposed to be 1000. That's a leaked a lot. So that's probably dead. Not enough to hold the power. Power! 463 UF. I can't remember what it was showing in circuit. It was probably around the same, wasn't it? So that's lost its capacitance. It's drying up. Bummer. Stuck at work all day. Oh no. Yeah, all right, Symbol Tech. Thing is, I don't want to take them all out unless they're all the same value, which they are. 1000 UFs, 35 volts. Don't have 1000 now. Nope. No, I'm gonna have to order them. You bastard. Have I literally got to recap it all? Or do you reckon it's just those boys? Let's do this next one. Let me test it in circuit first. So it's supposed to be 1000 UF and it's reading 300 as well, or 3000 as well. 3000? Wait, what was this reading? 300, wasn't it? Yeah, 400. 466. Obviously, it doesn't read it in circuit. All right, let's take this one off again then. Not again, but take this one off as well. These two. Check out those bulges. They predicted 12 plus inches of snow and we got 3. Oh, nice. On the board, you have lots of them in parallel. Oh, right. So that's why it's reading high. Oh, I didn't know that. Why do I have a feeling these are the wrong two? No, it's the right two. I'm at 330 degrees right now. Let's come in. There you go. If I test this and this is wrong, I'm just going to have to recap it all. Where's my solder sucker? That's why you're reading high. Got you. Dave wants more inches. It sounds like it. 6 a.m. Oh, what? Your time? Aussie. 6 o'clock in the morning. That's well early. All right, let's try this one. I hate capacitor issues because usually when I change the capacitors, it still doesn't work. Usually. No, that one's fine. 900. ESR's low as well compared to the other one. So that one's fine. What about that other one that's leaking at the top? This one. Or that could be glue. But it could be leaking. And that one could be leaking or it could be glue. Let's try it. Let's give it a wiggle. Whoa, these are big legs. Glue? You reckon it's glue? So could it just be that one capacitor? I'll try one more. Actually, I wonder if I have these capacitors on a spare board. It's coming, nearly out. Oh my god, how long are these legs? There you go. Jesus. Okay. Glue. When it's not working, even if you change capacitors, because there was a higher voltage than normal, and that make the capacitors to blow. Oh. And if voltages were higher there, is because who is in charge to keep the voltage stable has gone bad. Interesting. It would be bulged if it was leaking at the top. You reckon? Okay, well, let me just test this one. If this one's fine, then it will just be that number one. Yeah, it's fine. It's just that one cap. The bulging one. Only very slightly. But is that enough for it not to turn on? Let me see what the little chart says for the ESR. It's still not that high, but was it 35 volts? 1000 UF. Oh, okay. Worst case is 0.16. That's 0.44. So that is definitely gone then. Worst case or expected reading is 0.16 ohms. We're at 0.44. 100% bad cap. Pooped. Yeah. So, I wonder if... Oh, please be the only issue. Dead. You're dead. Alright, let's put these back together. I guess I'm going to have to order capacitor and then continue testing after. Actually, let me see if I've got a power supply board with that on. I've got one here for the Zeppelin. This is 2,200. Nope. What's that one? 1,035 volts. Yes, I got one. I got one. See? This is my Zeppelin power supply. The one where it just blew the bottom. Same chip. Oh my god, that's a big cap. What? Oh, this one. Yeah, it's huge. Hello, the clunge. Yes, this cap I need. This is 1,000 UF at 35 volts. I'm going to have to use my fume extractor. I'm dying. The fumes. Okay, and let me pop these ones back in. That one's okay. That one was okay. It's just this one, isn't it? Yeah. Which, by the way, I can't fit anything else in my bin. Look how much overflowing it is. And I've tried to like compact it down and move parts. I just can't do it. I need to empty it now. How do you know the polarity once legs have been trimmed? Good question. So if you usually look at the whoops. If you usually look at the PCB, you can see one side is like clear. There's no pattern. So that means it's positive. Negatives usually something similar to that. No bag liner, they won't pick it up. But yeah, that's a good question. And as you can see, it's got the negative side there. That always means the negative side. So yeah. So you just basically put the negative side with the pattern side. Oh, what? Recycle it to you, Pitsco. I think you've mentioned that before. Epoxy table or something. Imagine. I'm not doing one of them. Okay, that's that one in. This one could go to there. No, that hole's not clear enough. See, Michael knows. What did Michael say? Pitsco it, yeah. What? What happens to it though when it does go to you? Just want to know if it goes to a decent home. As long as you take care of it properly. Struggling to get this one in. goes away to a PCB farm up north to live a happy life. Do you reckon it does? Well, as long as I get updates of how it's doing, I want an email with pictures every week. I'm just gonna have to add more solder to it. It's usually the negative side, but on some boards it donates the positive side for some reason. Does it? That's a bit weird. Just follow the patterns of the other caps if you're unsure. There we go. Now it's free. Whoops. We will soon tell if it goes poop. Pop. Exactly, yeah. If it goes bang. And now the last one, which these legs look much fatter. Probably because there's solder on them. Anyone else hold their breath to evolve? Yeah, I think everyone does. Amtech flux is really nice. Actually, I best test this one first, don't I? Yeah, it's fine. Nice low reading as well on the ESR. I mean, while I solder, I know I should have my fume extractor on all the time. Oh, what? This is the only annoying thing about trying to put these caps back in. It's a bloody nightmare. I don't think the legs are wide enough. No, I need to open his legs up a bit. It's because the hole's not clear enough. Okay, there we go. Oh, no, but I do stand back when he plugs something in. I got my dim bulb tester now. That shouldn't really be a thing. Right, so that's all in now. Got a replacement cap in there. Let's test it now. Now, this is going to be the scary part. Put the heatsink back on for the amp. Oh, Jesus. You don't need to fit the heatsink just to test it. Okay, Symbol Tech, if you're still here, do you think I should put the heatsink on to test it? Because Symbol Tech deals with a lot of amplifiers, so I'd rather listen to. Symbol Tech. I read that 60-volt bulb at first, lol. I read that as a 60-volt bulb. Definitely, yes, needs to be put on. Thank you, Symbol Tech. There's no load on it yet. Yeah, yet, until I get it working. Anyway, better to be safe than sorry. But thank you. I appreciate your inputs. Right, we are unplugged, right? Yeah, plugs here. I hear an aeroplane. Let's put one. Nope, gonna have to put two in there. No, don't lose a screw. Yes, then fit the heatsink. Right. Testing time. Plugging it in. Ready? Watch your dim bulb tester. 3, 2, 1. Still not going to work. I know it's not. I have bad issues with capacitors. Voltage DC. Oh, damn it. There you go. Negative on this capacitor because it's the only one I can find the leg for. And what we get in. Still nothing. See? I know it wouldn't be that. Still nothing. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. We are definitely on, right? I'm going to AC. Yeah. The MOSFET chip driver also probably dead. You do realize no light is a good thing? Yeah, I know, yeah. No light is a good thing. I know it is, yeah. You got more Zeppelins to source those caps from. I don't. Keeps blowing other... Oh, you asked what it's for? My comments probably don't meet the YouTube algorithm. Why? What's happening, Daves? If it's like a CPU problem, burnt out whatever it meant to cool. Can you count down before plugging it in so I can keep a safe distance? It's weird. Nothing's coming out of the transformer side, but there is going in. 120 volts going in, but on the other side is nothing. Is that even enough? 120 volts going in? Or is that lowered it because of what's the connector near the heatsink? It says channel 1B. I think that's for this thing. Yeah. Do you reckon it needs this for feedback purposes? Yeah, because look, you got see, it's supposed to be 18 volts plus, 18 volts minus, ground. I think that's in charge of the voltage to keep it stable on the output. Oh man. Alright. Turn it off. Unplug. Ugh. Plug it in. Just don't want it shorting out on here. So just plug everything in. you go. Should be alright like that. It's going to be kind of hard to test voltages now. Okay. Try plugging in that board. Has a standby probably. Because the PWM chip is not working. You reckon that's what it is? That's why it's glowing. I think that's in charge of the voltage to keep it stable on the output. Right, I see what you're saying. Driver chip probably dead. That's why it's glowing 40 odd degrees. And it's not outputting the voltage. So I'm going to have to order new PWM. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're good. I did a countdown for you. Yes, chip is probably dead. No, it can't be. I hate ordering parts. All right, voltage DC. We're not getting any light, so it's not obviously working. Which, oh damn, I forgot which one ground was. Ground is that one. So got ground there. There should be 18 volts plus on this one. We get nothing. 0 output. Chip is probably dead. Let's have a look under the thermal cam again. But I mean, is there like a pin out for it where it shows that it's like a safety? If there's low voltage, it will turn safety on. I'll have to look at the chipset. Not chipset. Sorry, I'm tired, guys. I'm not used to streaming again. New multimeter leads? No, my leads are fine. Yeah, it's going to be under there again, isn't it? That can't be normal. It will keep the optos off. Yeah, but I'm getting voltage on them though. The opto couplers are getting voltage. I show you. I know this is a negative. We are in DC. Let's be AC on this side. See? 120 volts. You can't see. Damn it. $120 volts. And on the other one, 120 volts. But on the cold side, we're getting nothing. 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 And nothing. But didn't you say you could only test... Yeah, nothing's on the other side, EDM. Voltage on the output of opto. Yeah, nothing. So they're not turning on then. Is that what you're saying? They're off. How does that work though? Different grounding cold side. I was using the same. I was using. It seems like it's the same ground. To be fair, I tried another ground, which I can't really get to anywhere from this side of the board. Maybe this is probably a ground because there's a ground plane underneath there. Still, oh, we're on AC. Is it got to be in DC on the cold side? I think it is, but it's still off anyway. Glowing IC turns them on. Yeah, but how does it work though? If voltage is going into the optocoupler, couplers, how does it actually light up the LED inside or whatever it is? If there's voltage already going in, surely it should activate them. Cold side have everything isolated from hot side. Well, I'm still getting voltage from the hot side anyway. So probably going to need a new PWM chip. So I'll charge it for another cap and a PWM chip. I want to discharge this capacitor now. We are unplugged. It's an isolated supply. That door? Yeah. Posty. 2 seconds, buddy. I'm coming. Hey, Mr. Postman. Wait. Oh, my door's open. Hiya. Amazing. Thank you very much. Brilliant. Cheers, mate. See you later. Morrison's and private. Actually, while I'm in here, it's my vape juices have arrived, which is good because I'm running low. I need to take some painkillers. Paracetamol. That'll do. Bit of ibuprofen as well. Let's do it. Ooh, and a tramadol. That'll do. That should kill it. Coming back. By the way, guys, if you want a place to get your vape juices, do UK Vape Scene. It's 200 milliliters, 2 bottles for £15. Free shipping with nicotine. If only someone would upload you a book about how electronic phones work. Huh, you're a real cool kid. EDM. I know. Oh my god. Okay. I just need to confirm what chip that is again and have a look up on it. I just want to know if there is a feedback. There is a feedback chip, isn't there, on it? I think there was. Feedback pin. Measure the voltage on it. It's kind of hard to do when it's upside down. I worry about the younger generation. Who made that? Who made that? Daily vape juice refit. The truck is pulling up, ready to go, ready to unload. Refill. Oh, daily juice refill. Yeah. Sounds like me. I've forgot to mute the microphone when I went for a Jimmy Riddle. Oh yeah, that was funny. So who else is going to be joining the stream later on Michael DeLima while he's streaming Resident Evil 7? It's quite simple, Andy. There's little green men inside who let the current... CG, what the... That's not how it works. How... I thought it would be voltage inside will turn it on. Lol, I like that. No. CG, please. You love horror games. Watching somebody shit themselves. Hopefully, anyway. Wait, it's not? It's not what? I will want to see Michael crap himself. Yeah. Thing is, I love watching. I hope you're not too good at it, Michael, and then you just know everything. Like you've played it multiple times. Green Men. Oh, it's not Green Men. This child. Oh yeah, thank you, Mike. I did forget. GG. Jesus Christ. Oh, it's dead anyway. Obviously, it doesn't hold its charge for very long. I did forget though. Anyway, I can shoot, but I don't remember all the items and locations and stuff. Good. As long as you can shoot, I think that's the main thing. Right, where is it? I have a feeling my exposure is a bit too high because it's very cloudy, isn't it? Where is it? Oh, over here. There it is. 203D6. Let's have a look at that. Thanks, Mike. You saved my life. Could have done anyway. Oh, I'm already on it. Oh my god, eBay, stop. My eyes are watering. FB is pin 2. By connecting an optocoupler to this pin, which there is, the peak current set point is adjusted accordingly to the output power demand. Skip cycle occurs when feedback falls below V pin 1. Wait, what does that mean? Connect to a high voltage rail, then pin ejects a constant current into the VCC capacitor during startup sequence. That's the HV. Have I just got to go around probing every single pin and just seeing if it's all reading fine? Adjust the skipping peak current. It lets you adjust the level at which the cycle skipping process takes place. Shorting this pin to ground permanently disables the skip cycle feature. Ooh, whatever that means. Current sense input. This pin senses the primary current and routes to the internal comparator via an LED. Who's Michael? Michael DeLima, you silly car. Yeah, Michael, please upload a link, please. Yeah, hang on, I think Falcon, I should have copied it. 2 seconds, let me go into my Discord quick and get it. You got it. Yeah, baby, you got it. I know, Michael. Here we go. So if I go to a copy text. Oh, I'll have to click on it. Oh, look at that. Very low quality picture, though, you used. Could have done better on the thumbnail. Just saying. Got the most lowest. Oh, for God's sake, Falcon. Well, I'm going to do it too, so it doesn't be a waste of my time. Yeah, I'm going to try and probe around there, see what one we're getting. Like the feedback. No, because it's going to be the same on the optocouples, isn't it? Optocouplers. Ooh, supplies the IC pin. The pin is connected to an external bulk capacitor, typically of 22 UFs. Oh my god, Pitka, you're terrible. I don't want to just order it without knowing that it's definitely faulty. I'll try beep mode. Continuity, maybe. Because I don't know what ground is. I'll use ground from the main cap. That could be ground. Nope, it's just our charge in the capacitor. That's got to be ground. It's the only one there. Yeah. I will dual stream to... As long as your PC could handle it, Mike. I know you said you got the 3900K as well. Just hope YouTube don't play up with buffering. It shouldn't do. Michael streams are usually pretty good. I'm going to have to order one of them chips then. You can get the pin out for chip. Can you get the pin out for chip? What language is that? Can you get the pin it for chip? Good morning, Wes. Can you not get the pin out for chip? Yeah. I've got it here. So ground is pin 4, which I was the last one I did. No connect is 7. I could try diode mode. Diode readings. For the laptop. No talk about laptops, please. I've been working on my streaming setup a bit. Should be solid. Amazing. Just finished building streaming PC yesterday at the workstation. Not decided on a channel name yet for the new... Oh, really? Nice. What do you mean about time? What? What EDM? Bloody smartphone language. What? Testing it in diode mode? Yeah, I know. I forgot about diode mode. Okay, so pin 1. That's a good shout. Which one is pin 1? What? How are you supposed to know where pin 1 is when the dot's like in the middle? Oh, see the, look. What's that? Well, I know that's pin 4 anyway because it was ground and I looked at the pin out. So pin 1, we are getting 0.4, 0.69, oops, 0.65, ground, 0.5, 0.5, open line, which we knew that's a no connect, and 0.6. They're fine. The line is showing you the pins. The line is showing me the pins. What does that mean? Top left is pin 1, yeah. Go with that. Text orientation, maybe? Hi, Ruggers. Why you only say lice cam? What? Lice cam? Shit. So, is that... that's not showing as faulty. There's no weird readings in diode mode. Pin 1 is line. Well, that's a bit weird because it's not. It should be on this side. This is pin 1. Not that side. Although it's closer to that side. Check diodes in diode mode. Check diodes in diode mode. You're on about on the optocouplers. Is that what you're chatting? Or you're on about actually checking these diodes, like that big, fat, juicy one there. Okay. 0.4 volts. Swapping it around as long as we get a reading again. We're getting open line or overload. Wait, it was. It's 1.6 volts now. Nope, it's stuck on 1.6 volts. D501. Oh. I think that chip's fine, you know. Something else is causing it to warm up. I hate looking for numbers. D501. Oh, the Zener. Why is it not marked as a Z? We'll get a 1.7 one way. And 0.5. You are correct. About what, Tom? Something else is causing that to glow. If it is, then you got this. These pins that go to diodes and stuff. Well, it looks like it just goes to that. This one okay? 0.14. 0.5, that's fine. Is this blown? Nope, that's fine. Check the datasheet of the chip power board. Oh, check datasheet of the chip, power the board, and measure the voltages around that chip according to the datasheet. Is the 1 ohm okay? If you check the MOSFET. The 1 ohm is okay. Symbol tech. I'll try do that. I'll try. Could be these little transistors. Getting very washed out now. I'm gonna have to. But the data sheet doesn't really tell you what voltages should be around it. Be careful because the chip's on the hot side. Yeah, it is. There's the separation. I know, I will be careful. I've got to just randomly go around checking these resistors as well to make sure that we know that's not short. That's 18k. Should be 15k. Yeah, I think all these are fine. 82k. Weird number. That's 51k. You can't find anything shorted? No, but something's failed. Yes, you have a general schematic, how to use chip, and they'll show you the voltages. Okay, if I get my phone out, because I'm on all data sheet. There's the schematic. Doesn't really tell you the voltages. It does tell you what's connected to them though. Typical application. I'll take it that's the optocoupler. And that's coming out from pin 4. Wait, pin 2. I don't know how to read it. I cannot do schematics. Supported circuits for the chip are normally a suggestion and can vary. Yeah. You need to scope around and see if the power supply is oscillating first. Oscillating, you mean by the... I don't know what oscillating means. I know it's like a fan where it moves side to side. You put a fan on an oscillator. Oscillate. What's this? High-low internal regulator, overload management, pin 6 is the VCC. Do I get high voltages around 3? What, on the big main cap? Yeah, is it pulsing? It wasn't pulsing. Don't worry, me neither. I struggle with schematics. Yeah, it's confusing. Yes. I don't know. It's a 400 volt cap. I don't think I ever I didn't even measure it. Oh, here's the schematic characteristics. So I guess it's telling you what voltage they're supposed to be. It's drive output. No, it doesn't tell you. Internal IC consumption, no. VCC decreasing. Oh, I don't understand any of that. That's how ICs work internally. Okay. Let me try and measure that big cap. I've not tested it because the way this is kind of wired up. Come on, man. I know, I try not to get zapped. So I'm being careful. I don't think anything's fouling anywhere. That's just a big word to type. Well, I said it on the page before, that power supply voltage rating. I said it on the page. Why did you say it on the page for? Oh, it said it on the page before, that power rated supply voltage. It's like, it's called like an oscilloscope. Oh, yes, it's called an oscilloscope. measuring an oscillating signal. Oh, it's called a oscilloscope. You skipped the page where it said it. For God's sake. You're about this little table. I've got a red line across my phone. The scope, you silly car. Yeah, if there's voltages at the pins, then that's showing the voltage value and stuff, I guess. Temperatures. So power supply voltage should be 16 volts in the VCC. Power supply voltage on all pins except pin 5, pin 6 and pin 8 should be 0.3 to 10 volts. Is that what we're looking for? They're maximum ratings. Right, powering it on. Okay. All right, let me check this big cap. We're in AC mode. Just about to see it there. What will we read in from the cap? Wait, what? Excuse me? Am I in DC? Oh, yes, the cap in it. DC cap, sorry. Yep. Which is kind of actually, how is it DC? Oh, is it after the bridge rectifier? Yeah, my bad. What you use to remove, hello David, remove the black solid motherboard glue like Lenovo have. I don't know, fire. 341 volts, so the cap's fine. Now, let's do the negative side. Let me test all these pins without shorting anything out. Pin 1 is nothing. Getting nothing on the VCC. Oh, I've got it upside down. No, never mind. Pin 1's up here. Is it AC now? It won't be AC, will it? No, it will still be in DC. I get nothing on pin 1. Nothing on pin 2. Nothing on pin 3. Nor 4. 5. We are on 6. But it's, look at that. It's going everywhere. That is erratic. Pin 7. Nothing. Pin 8. 340 volts. Even that's a bit... No, that's fine. So we are missing quite a lot of voltages on that chip. And one's just going all over the place. Yeah, I'm in DC. Pin 8 should have the huge voltage. Yeah, it does. But the rest doesn't. Apart from one of them. It says here, power supply voltage on all other pins except pin 5, pin 6, and pin 8. Pin 6 is VCC. Power supply voltage on all other pins. Wait, what? Maximum current to all pins? No. Power off discharge. Check on pin 7 will go into capacitor. Check that cap. I will check all diode transistors on the board in diode mode. Let's have a look under the thermal cam one more time. Maybe some cabs are slightly glowing to give me an indication. But yeah, I'll have to test more. I have to test all the transistors. They're tiny. Or so, can I not just do the ones around the area? Yeah, let's see, something else over here is getting warm. What are they? They're 2 resistors. So could it be something on this line? Didn't see that before. 48 point. That is slightly pulsing. Yeah, it's got a very small point on there pulsing. Don't know if you can really see that pulsing. I think you can. Where else do those resistors go? I'm gonna have to look under the board. Because why are they getting hot? Something on that line. Oh, I've done that already, EDM then. Hold on. Something on that line's iffy. Powered off. Unplugged. Just discharge that cap. You can see the red light there. And it's dead. Sounds like it's that chip despite the diode reading. Yeah. If I can't find anything else with it, it's a very specific heat spot where it's pulsing, and it was pulsing. I go under the scope. I'm going to sort my scope out because it looks very cloudy. That cap holds a lot of charge. Yeah. Yeah, it does. I know what's going on with my scope. It's the exposure's too high. Configure video, camera control. There you go, that's a bit better. Oh, it's gone back up again. There you go. Apply. Okay. Okay. Bye, Arion. Good to see you all, Pico. Afternoon, Andy and friends from Overcast, Carl, Penzance, Cornwall, UK. Hope you're all well. Thank you. Yeah. So the pulsing was coming in this area here, but the resistors that were getting warm are these 2 big fellas. Now, I don't know where it goes after that. It goes into this big, I guess, current sense resistor, but from that capacitor, positive capacitor, through there. Is that connected to there as well? I think it's connected to there and through there. Through there, through there. Then it goes to this diode. Pretty sure I tested that diode and it's fine. But that's forward voltage. Voltage is going that direction. Which then, oh my god, I just put my hand in that white stuff. Which then goes to this. But then it also goes to here. This little transistor. Is this okay? Yeah, that's fine. That's not beeping out on me. Which then also goes to this one, which I'm sure this one's fine. Yeah. Which that capacitor's fine. Then a diode. Diode mode. It's fine. Whoops. Yep. And it just goes into a bunch of resistors, I think. Which are all in parallel. I mean, everything else seems okay around the area. Trying to see what we're getting in ohms. 13 ohms, isn't that quite low? That is very low. 10 ohms, 9 ohms. Oh no, because it's that's not ground, is it? Ground's here. Duh. Yeah, we're fine there. I was on the positive side. It's fine until it isn't. So I personally can't see anything else around this area apart from that said chip that could be causing the issue. And it is pulsing right there. So maybe if I look at the schematics, I mean the pinout or whatever it is inside, and you can see all the components inside. You can see what's near pin 7 and 8. I know that's a no connect. So it's pin 8 that was pulsing. Wait, which cap did you say? There is a small cap there. Phil, which cap did you say? Voltage on pin 7 should be stable. That's down to smoothing cap. I think you're on about this one here. This is a capacitor here. Oh, that says diode, but it's not a diode. It's a capacitor on the other side. Sorry, pin 6. Yeah, you're on about this. Yeah, this capacitor here. Zenas have reverse breakdown voltage. Yeah. Okay, I'll try test this capacitor out of. I'll do it inside circuit first, and then I'll test it outside. It's a little blue. Where is it? And it's right next to the capacitor as well. This thing. What is that? 50 volts, 47 UF. 50 volts, 47 UF. So let me measure that. I've got this white stuff everywhere. It's like I've been painting. What's the time? Oh my god. Spent loads of time on this already. Thought I would have found it by now. Okay, so this is reading 45 UF at 0.79 ohms. Now, I don't know if that's a good value. Didn't I say it was a 47 UF at 50 volts? Yeah, it should be good up to 2.8 ohms, so that cap seems fine. And I wasn't getting stable voltage on pin 7 though, was I? Oh, pin 6. I'm doing a U. What the fuck? That made me jump. I think it was pin 6 that was going erratic. Which only goes to the capacitor. Out the capacitor. Through this. Or through this diode. What was on the other side of that? More resistors and stuff. Let's try this end. Continuity. That's just resistors. We've got 2 more capacitors here. L, so it's an inductor. And it was getting hot under here though, wasn't it? Now, what's that? 272. So 2,000, 2.7K. Oh, I can't get my probe in there. Yeah, 2.7K, that's fine. This showing open line, so that might be okay. Yeah. Actually reading 650 ohms. What about this huge transistor? I guess it's an N channel MOSFET. Yeah, not getting any readings. Trying diode. Must be the wrong way around. 0.4. 1.1. 1.6. Yeah, this is fine. I don't see anything else. I could probably just try and replace that chip. I just checked the IC and it's a semiconductor integrated circuit SOP 8. Yes, Arion. I guess that's what I'm going to have to do. Got nothing else to go by. Unless anyone else got any other ideas. But the optocouplers are not turning on. We're not getting anything past the transformer, but that's only getting 120 volts. And I don't know if that's enough for it to step up. Or no, step down, I guess. Not really much else on there apart from this bottom bit. These okay? Wait, what am I doing? 1K, yeah. 33 ohm. Almost 37 ohm. Oh my god, why is my painkillers not kicking in? I'm just gonna have to order one of those chips and hope for the best. Okay, I'll move on. Maybe I'll do a bit Google it. Actually, let me see what Google says. I've not even Googled it, see if anyone else had a similar issue. We'll need to fill up my vape in a minute. I'm running on empty. Failure of this thermistor is very common on the cubes. Thermistor? This thing? Thanks for Frank. Has now been repaired. My Kev Cube at a cost about £1. RE04713 thermistor. That's not my issue. No, I'm alright. I've just got a headache. I've been getting it for the last few days. Is that the thermistor though? It's not marked with anything. Thing is, the images are not even loading. I took the board off metal plate and it was attached and turned it over. The two solder joints by the straw shows which needs soldering. What? What are you on about? You're on about this thing? The little blue boy. If nothing relieves your headache, Andy, that can mean you have... No, I've already been to the doctors about it. It's my neck. It's because when I'm not doing this, I lie on my bed a lot, and my head's always like this. Like I'm led on my pillows like this all the time, and it's a neck issue. Your image isn't showing properly. What do you mean? Zigzag. What's my image? You're on about on here? I can't see your hair. I haven't got no hair. I shaved it. Very good. It needs shaving again, though, to be fair. So if I saw a dead component, I think the problem is that I don't know the specifications of this. What component's this one? Oh, yeah, see? I think he's referring to... Yeah, the thermistor. Why is everyone going on about this thermistor? Oh, there's a thermistor. Oh, yeah, there. Why am I not getting issues with that? Everyone else is having a thermistor issue. Apparently the black thermistor usually explodes. So in this case, everyone's saying the thermistor. Andy, make sure the optocoupler is okay because the feedback is reading through the optocoupler. I'm pretty sure am I unplugged? Yeah. I'm pretty sure I've tested them though. Hello back. Chamomile tea always relieves it. Yeah. What's the time? Oh yeah, I've got to pick up my daughter today. What am I doing in diode mode? Sorry, yeah. Pin 1 and 2. Oops. No reading. Oh wait, I'm in capacitance. We're in 0.9 there. Swap the leads. And the same. Don't know if that's right. I assume so because it's in circuit. And the other optocoupler, I'm reading the same that way. Pretty much 1 volt. And the other way is the same. Now on the hot side, no. Yeah, the hot side, I don't think you can measure them this way, can you? What? I wasn't even in diode mode. What? Did that jump out of diode mode? Try that again. There you go. 0.4 volts. Now the other way. 0.4 volts. That seems better. 0.4. 0.4. Now the other legs at the back on the hot side. There's 18.6. Oh wait, hang on. Open line. So there should be open line on both ends, right? They're supposed to be open lines. That's why you can't test them on the other two pins in diode mode. But this one's reading. Yes, I remember you saying EDM. You're not supposed to be able to measure them on one side. But the other optocoupler is getting a reading on one side. So that means it's bad. And we get an open line on that direction, but if I swap it round, we're getting a reading. Please confirm. It depends what it's connected to, though. Probably not my luck. You see that? Not joking. I'll just change scene. Hold on. It's connected to a capacitor. Come on, change. There you go. Yeah, I'm trying to change it. Thanks, Carthor. Yeah. So they even look like different ones, don't they? Why does this one look like it's been hand drawn and this one looks like it's printed? Bit weird. Oh, and they're different numbers. 09, 010. Nice to see you back on. Thank you, Sloth. Yeah, this direction we get an open line. This direction we get in 0.6. This one we get an open line or overload. And same with that.
Oh no!
Overload on that. So this is also though connected to capacitor, and I don't know which one's negative side. I don't know. It doesn't look like it's connected to that. Oh, it goes to the inductor, but we're getting voltage through that. Wait, I'm getting voltage on one side. I didn't test that side. But that's the hot side. I'm pretty sure we were getting voltages on both sides. No, they're both EL817s. Oh, right, I see. Yeah, my bad. Don't know why I'm reading the top one. Best thing to do is take it out of circuit, right? And then test it. See what we're reading. If it doesn't read on both sides, it's fine. Yeah, let me do that. No, I still think it's going to be wasting my time. Or lift the legs up. Yeah, just lift the legs up. Dirty bitch. Lost my tweezers. There they are. Guess we move it in test. Will it not be better just to lift the legs up? Be easier for me because I'm right next to some melty plastic. That little diode there. I'll remove it. Add some solder in it. This is so hard to get into without burning the little mini transformer. Oh my god. I can't get into it. It's such a tight space. It's my fume extractor that's in the way. Whoops. There we go. Finally. Oh, I can't fit it in. Ah, spurt myself. Oh well, what can you do? Oh, there's that human flesh smell again. Right, what's that? Yeah. It's not as bad as that last time though, but anyway, let me test this. Nope. Oh man, I'm gonna have to clear the bridge. As tight as a vert. Yes, exactly that. There you go. Right, which one's pin 1 now? Can't see it. Animal. Right, so it's these two on the right. Diode mode. Now at the bottom. Open line. It's going to be open line, isn't it? It's going to be open line, isn't it? Yeah, open line. Oh. It's fine. Running out of options on here. Right, I'm going to go fill up my vape quick and I'll be back. Just for fun, test pins 1 and 2 again. Okay. Just for fun, I would do that. It's not fun for me. I've already done it like thrice. Open line that way. We get 1 volt, 1 voltage drop. Best way to test optocouplers is to apply 1.5 volts to pin 1 and 2 and measure continuity between 3 and 4. Okay. This is fine anyway, Symbol Tech, but I'll bear that in mind next time. 1.5 volts to pin 1 and 2. It's like I like diode voltage. Nice. Well, at least this almost goes nice and easy. This is difficult. I thought it was going to go in easy, but... Prove... Oh, there you go. One leg. No, don't hop back out. There you go. Oh, push, 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 push. Ta-da! There it is. So. All you have checked is that output isn't shorted, it may not work. I know it's not going to work. It's not going to work because nothing's changed. Someone said I suggested that months ago he wouldn't do it. What? Put 1.5 volts in it? What, while it's out the board, or can I do it in circuit? The optocouplers are fine because they were getting voltage on the input. No, the optocoupler may not work. Oh, I see what you're saying. Well, the optocouplers connected to pin 6. It just feels like I'm wasting my time doing it. You could turn it on in circuit using multimeter and diode mode outside the board. Ah, no, it's too much hassle. Let me go fill up my vape. 2 seconds. I'll be back. If at first you don't see, try again until you give up and never repair it. And that's what he said last time. For God's sake. Because of the optocoupler is okay, definitely chip is gone. I'm hoping it is the chip because I don't see anything else wrong with it. Fine. For science, EDM, I will test this shitty optocoupler. Okay? For you. Just for you. Okay? I've got to take it out again. EDM. Okay. No, not yay. I suppose it's a new thing under my belt I will learn from. So, because I completely forgot
I've got a really small
have you,
one.
James? Sometimes optocoupler can measure fine, but the LED inside faded. We're not put enough out. Photo transistor on the pins 3 and 5 to the photo transistor. That's a lot of words. Thanks, Symbol Tech. Oh, here we go again. I've got no... Let me disconnect this thing. That's what the issue is. It's connected to this panel. Disconnect the panel. There we go. Now the power connector. That's better. Now I could turn it. Maybe like that. Yeah. That'll do. No, you've not upset me. EDM. Electrical dance music. Right, heating up. And heat up this side quick.
Oh no!
Oh no, it's too late. These tweezers suck. There we go. Takes more to get Aggie Andy out. Look at the state of my mat. You can't see it. It's this electrical discharge. Is that what it is, EDM? Is that what it is? Oh, that's hot still. Ow. Ow. Why is that not cooling down? Huh. We're still yet to meet the new neighbours. So you want me to inject 1.2 volts? Was it? Sorry, some tech? I forgot what you said now. Let me scroll up a little. My chat box isn't the biggest. 1.5. Okay. Is that similar to plasma? What are we on about? Electrical discharge mechaning. 1.5 volts. .205 max. 1 amp. 1.7 max. All right, 1.2. I'll do 1.5. But I won't go to 1.7. I might have to solder some wires on it. I think my probes are probably going to be... Copyright! Copyright! Hello? No, thank you. Oh, for God's sake, why did you do this? Yes. No, actually... No, I'm all right, thank you, no. Yeah, I'm sure, thank you. No, thank you. No, I want to get back on it today. Oh, for fuck's sake. Yeah, but then I won't enjoy the roast. Oh my God. All right, yes, please then. I don't know. It surprised me. No, not that. All right. Just a double them. Yes, please. I love you. Bye. I'm having a roast dinner tonight. Pin 1 should be positive. Thank you. I mean, I could test it in diode mode. McDonald's. Yes. McDonald's. Didn't want it. But I was like, I want to be back on it, like get back on the treadmill and be good. But she's like, oh, but you're having a roast dinner. She keeps feeding me all the time. She doesn't help. All right, let me solder some wires to it. Easier. It took a lot of arm twisting. Oops. Excuse my fingers. The word that you're looking for is no. Yeah, but I did say no, but then she was like, you're having a roast dinner. It's not having it till 7. I'm like, 7? I can't wait that long. I've got a stream to watch. Michael DeLima playing Resident Evil 7 Biohazard. Right. Pin 1 is a positive. Pin 2 is negative. Okay, we're hooked up. Let me put it down to 1.5 Vs. Ready? 3. Connect pins 1 and 2 to component tester and use your multimeter in ohms. Connect your pins to 1 and 2 to your component tester and use your multimeter in ohms range on pins 3 and 4. Why do I need it in the component tester? Just inject voltage from it now and then test my multimeter on pins 3 and 4. Gonna do it. Which bets power supply? 3, 2, 1. Oh, wrong button. 3, 2, 1. That's drawing a lot of amps. Is that all right? It's like 100 milliamps. Don't want that getting hot. Just put voltage. What, no amps? Turn off the amps. Okay. It will test as LED and flash so you can then read. All right, well. Wait, I'll have to have some amps. Do 1 amp. All right, let me just test it with my multimeter. The voltage is going through it anyway, but in ohms, you want me to test it in ohms? That's a very weird way of reading it. $16 ohms. Yeah, we're getting 15 ohms. Is that normal? Oh, it's a door. Could be a pickup. Yeah. No, it's not. Hold on, 2 seconds. 2 seconds, buddy. I'm on my way. this is. Oh, my bloody door.
I'm not joking. It's like
There's a switch pickup. Fix the switch as well during the week. Joseph. Hello, Joseph. So if it's reading low ohms, is that fine? Yeah, I guess.
Oh no!
Why is it bouncing? Boing, 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 boing. I'm sure the optocoupler's fine. I think at this point, I'm just going to have to order the LED. I mean, the chip. Looks like it's working okay. Because they're not turning on. Oh, I've got to clear the bloody holes. Good thing about this though, the board holding it holds its heat, so it's easy to clear the holes. Who's that? Hi, it's a Seville tower fan. Oh, I don't repair flipping fans. What is it with people want to fix fans? They're so cheap. A Seville tower fan. I'll give them. What's one of them? Seville tower fan. Oh shit. That's on by 120 quid. Stopped working. It'd probably be a seized motor or something. That's on my mate Vince's job. Yeah, it is. Seville, yeah. Oh, do I accept it or not? Does anyone want me to see do a fan? It's metal will cost like half. Yeah, I know it will. Nah, do my laptop. Oh, right. Oh, yeah, I'll read your email again later. Oh, well, that's soldered. Get your fan out. Ah. I was like, what fan is it? Okay, let's get this back in. That is windy out there today. What's the time? 12:50. There you go. Big ass fan like companies in the US almost bought from them. It's a tower fan, so I'm a fan of Andy. Thanks, Michael. What? Where is it? Where is the optocoupler? There it is. I think that's our new neighbour's dog. Pretty sure that was attached, wasn't it? Yeah. Your dog's now watching. Oh, because of the barking. Yeah, I'm just going to have to order a new chip. And if it turns out to be that chip, I've wasted all this time testing. For no reason. Gutted. Never mind, not a ceiling fan, get a new one. No, it's not a ceiling fan, it's a tower fan. Yeah, so I'm going to have to just order that and then hope for the best it is that. The 203, let me take a picture so then I'll know. It's the only thing lighting up on the board and not outputting to the optocouplers. Okay, let's put this together. I need to tidy this up a little bit first, clean it up. It's good. Ding! It's weird. Some of these have got washers and some of them don't. I think they all should have washers. That one has a washer, but it looks like it's been evaporated. I think the silver ones went on the outside and then the black ones were in the middle. They seem like they're the same thread anyway. I don't know. I think that's good. Wait, did I take a picture of that chip? Sorry, I'm at work and was not next to my phone when you did the test. No, that's all right. It was reading 15 ohms across both pins on pins 3 and 4. So I don't know if that's normal in resistance mode while having 1.5 volts in or out. I'm just going to order a new chip. These fans are like 50, 60 quid new. I looked it up and it was 120 quid. I think I put the wrong one in. Yeah, I put a metal screw in the plastic. God damn it. Okay. Why I had to read it in ohms mode, I don't understand that. No idea what that banging is. Sounds like it's getting louder. I do. Okay. I'll order that chip tonight. I'll let the customer know. But hey mate, sorry, it might have to take about a week. Unless I get it from Amazon. I think you probably can. Now the next thing's kind of retro, and I kind of taken it apart already. Tried to do it, but I couldn't. Next dog is trying to get in. Oh no, it's conducted, so ohms is the way to go. Oh. Great. I'm not looking forward to this one. I've already taken it to pieces and God knows how I took it apart. So this is a CD player with no power. It did have power before, but when he put a disc in and it closed, it shut off. And it kept doing that, but now there's no power at all. So let me try and zoom out a little bit. It's a vintage thing. I don't do vintage stuff really, but I didn't realize it doesn't come back on That's just a disk drive. That's some sort of cover. CD player, nice. Yeah, it's not nice. It's annoying. This is the switch arm. This is the front of the CD player, so I can take it out. This is some sort of selector buttons. This is a sensor for the remote. This, oh, that's part of the CD player. But there's no power getting to the display. There's the display. And I've checked this side, I've checked the switch is functioning. There is voltage going to the board. I checked for dry joints. I've taken the board completely out. There's no cold solder joints that I could see. Don't know if we're getting the right readings out. I will show you what it is and what it isn't. If it comes on now, I'll be shocked. Make sure that's not shorted. Make sure that's not shorted too. Oh, I need to change it. You learn a lot from fixing old stuff, do you? I remember when CD players first come out. I must be vintage, probably. The switch on CD tray. Would that stop the display from turning on though? What are you saying? There's no power to the display when you turn it on now. Title. I think it's Technics as well. It's a Technics. Don't know if that's how you spell it. What? Oh, it's on the front panel. Now you're talking. This is what I do for a living. Oh, really? So it's a Oh, it's spelled Technics wrong. This is NICS, not K. Technics. It's an SL dash PJ44. Considering getting a P3 thermal camera for the same price as P, I wouldn't do it. I don't get the P3. Why should you have to? It wobbles on your phone because it's that big. So it wobbles a lot when you're trying to focus. And why should you have to bring it down to then focus it, and then to bring it up a little bit, then to focus it again? Well, on the P2, you just slap on the micro lens and just go down to it and you're done. No, it's not the PJ44. That's what I typed in. Not the SL PJ44. Yeah, that's what it is. Not the SL. What are you saying? Why are you saying that, Phil? What's going on? I was TV audio technician for many years. Oh, really? That's your best of Bowie. That was a CD that was in there. Anyway, I was plugging it in, wasn't I? But I'm thinking it doesn't need to have that plugged in as well, does it, for it to turn on? I shouldn't do. That connects to the rest of the stack system. Coming out of transform part. Yeah, they are present, Phil. I am. That's what the first thing I was going to do because I've just connected it back up. I'm pretty sure they are. No idea what the voltage is supposed to be though. Okay, here we go. See? Oh, it says at the back there, look, SLPJ44. Oh, it's the wrong bloody connector. It's not a kettle cable. Whoa. Great CD. Is it? Right, here we go. Plugging it in. It's not turned on yet. Right, that's turned off. Turning it on in 3, 2, 1. I don't get any flash on my dim bulb. Don't know why. Just don't. No display. Turn off. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I guess there's no capacitors to charge up. Nope, get nothing on the display. I've had an email. Oh no, it's just Tom. I don't want to clear it because I'll forget to read it. Battery saver's on. I'm going to have to charge my phone. Do you like Bowie? What? Don't you like Bowie? I don't know, actually. All hi-fis are figures of 8. Oh. Can you see that? Yeah, no, you can. So, first, if I go to neutral and the fuse, that'll be an AC. Whoops. You're getting 250 volts almost. That's pretty high. Output would be, I don't know what ground is. There's no flipping ground. I'll use ground from a capacitor. Still no display. So this one we're getting no volts. No volts. No volts. Wait, is it AC? Because it's still coming out of the transformer. Yeah, it is. Oh, got you. So we've got, I hate vintage stuff. 8.3 volts, such a weird voltage. Next one is nothing. Then we've got 8 volts. We get 10 volts. 4.4 volts. And we get nothing on the brown. Don't get it. I don't understand weird voltage readings on these retro devices. Why don't they just have like 3.3, 5 volts, 1.8? Or like 6.5? What's that? All right, let's have a look at the service manual. SLPJ44. Whoops, SLPJ44 service manual. I think I've already looked at it, you know. That's not the right one. Oh, why did I put 111? When did I put 111? I didn't. SLPJ44. Very good EDM. Yeah, I've looked at this already. Not this far, I haven't. What good's that? Oh, it gets focused. That's just telling me the components. Doesn't tell you what voltages it's supposed to be. I'll wait for it to focus. There you go. Yeah, power, it's receiving power, Aussie. It's fine. I've checked it in continuity and it works. I took the whole power board out. I hate hunting. I just want to know what voltage is supposed to be in there. Replacement parts list, resistors and caps. PLL adjustments. Measurements and adjustments. I don't know. I can't. Ugh. All right, hang on. So is this all AC now? It doesn't get transferred into a bridge rectifier to DC. I don't understand how it works. Unless there's a... Yes, there is a bridge rectifier. No DC. No. Are you saying there's no DC or it is DC? The capacitors. In AC. That's crazy. It's DC in AC. Well, there must be a bridge rectifier in here then, right? To change it from AC to DC. The voltage is all over the place. I don't know what's up with the bloody voltages these days. That showed it was going to be high. 6.2 volts, so that's stable. Copyright. Copyright. Hello. Alright, thank you. I love you, bye. Thing next to the transformer's a bridge rectifier. What, this side? That's just got two weird black things. They're all over the place. Follow the wires from transformer, they will go to bridge. Unless it's... it won't be under, will it? Water, yeah, I think I need to start drinking water. I don't see a bridge rectifier. There's a relay. Oh. Oh, here it is. That's got to be you can't really see, but there's 4 standing up diodes. But they're showing 0 volts. That one's showing 11 volts. There you go. 10.4 volts. Yeah, that must be the bridge there then. $11 Okay, so that makes sense. So this one is reading. This capacitor. 11 volts, yeah. Okay, so it looks like it's cut into different sections. So maybe if I just like measure sections at a time, see which one's not working. So we know this one's all getting voltage. 6.2 volts. Weird reading, 6.2, but it is. This side, are you reading anything? No. Not getting anything this side, but there is a relay, however, there. Or maybe it needs to be turned on. We're getting something at that transistor. Again, the voltage fluctuates like mad. Why is voltage bouncy? Everywhere. Yeah, I probably don't. Between 1 and 3, should be getting 13.8 AC on the 6-pin header. Is this 6-pin? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and 3. Okay, I see 1 and 6 part marked there. Between 1 and 3 in AC. No, I get 10 volts. Not quite the 13.8. You reckon I should inject 13.8 on it and see if it makes it come alive? Maybe the transformer's dying if it's not pushing out the right voltage. Or if I take out the connector and measure it out of circuit. Let's try that. Getting less. How's that work out? 2.3 volts between 1 and 3. 7 point. Well, it said 13 for a second. 7 volts. So it said 14 then, and then it's gone down to 7.2. It's probably 13.8 once it's been rectified. You're reading these from, yeah, the service manual's always bloody wrong. Hate the service manuals. They never say what it is. Get the old thermal cam out. The calculation is 10 volts AC. Well, that's good. I'm getting around that. EDM. Thank you. I'm getting 10 volts. Lots of heat spots. But that's probably normal. Got the main chip there, it's getting warmish. This is a bit toasty, however. Still 30. It's one of these things. Only one of them's lighting up though. These little black things. I don't know what they are. They're marked as Q, so they're some sort of transistors, I guess. And that thing behind it's getting warm. So is that. What's behind them? Diodes. Again, that must be normal, but only that one's lighting up. The rest of these, oh, that one's lighting up too. That's pulsing. We've got a pulsing one there. Here we go again with the pulsing. Very slightly pulsing. Yeah, thanks EDM. So why is this pulsing? This is just temperature from under the board. There's a heat spot there under that IC. It feels slightly warm to the touch. Which is probably normal. There's also a fuse at CP11 and CP12 there on the voltage rails. It's getting voltages though. Fuse on CP11 and CP12. They're on voltage rails. CP11 and CP12. There is no CPs. What's the time? Oh my god. There's no CPs. CPU checkpoints. Which one? There's two. ICP11. Didn't see any of them neither. I don't know how he said it turns on, but then when you put a disc in and disc closes, it shuts off. Now I've got it and it's literally nothing. CP Mary is checkpoints. CP Mary? CP Mary. Oh, CP means checkpoint. Oh, yeah, but I don't see any CPs on the board. I see what you're saying. So I go around probing. Guess I'll do that. Just probe every single transistor and check the resistors. No, I've already looked under for dry joints. I mean, I could take it out and have a... Yeah, let me take it out of the board again. Take it out. Did I leave it unscrewed? I did. That's good. So I should be able to take it out easy. There you go. Can I put a screw in at the back? No. I should just pop out. Come on, man. Why is it not coming out? I've had this out twice, and now I can't do it. It's this stupid connector. Is it some sort of clip? There we go. I don't know what that was. It's kind of, somehow kind of stuck. Look at the state of this. No markings at the bottom. Just more chips. So I did see a bit of brown in here, so I thought maybe that was an issue, but I tested it and it's not. They're only resistors. Right, let me check these transistors all the way down. I'm pretty sure I've already done all this. Now that's going to fill up your wheelie bin. Yeah. He said he's not been using it for about 3 years. Which kind of tells me it could be a dry joint issue, but I can't see it. Cold solder joint. So if he closes a disc and it causes some sort of vibration or something, I don't know. All right, that's a resistor. What's that? That's a jumper. Yeah, it is a VFD. I think. See, this was getting warm here. Only one of them was. Yeah, these two. Now, is that normal? The other one's not beeping like that. don't think that's supposed to be like that. Because the other one's not reading. Oh, damn it. The shit is a fake one. Ugh, still had voltage in it. Oh, shit. Hate that. I think I've just tested these already. When the board was flipped. Guys, I'm going to have to go have a coffee break. And then I'll see if I can come back. I'll do another inspection under the board. Maybe you guys can see dry joints. Because I'm not very good at spotting them out. All it is just a bunch of capacitors and resistors and crap. And chips. Can you see the heaters on the vid? VFD. Okay, don't bang it about as there's heater elements in there. Well, it's not working anyway. See what you're saying. I can see the elements, I think, going across. Well, I'm going to go for a coffee break. Actually, yeah. I'll try Googling about this one, and this model is really hard to find. I don't see anything online about this one. PJ44 Technics. Look at that. £35. Why am I even working on it? Oh, it's faulty as well. What's wrong with this one? Does not read discs. I could just swap out the disk drive. Oh, I hate that. It opens up a new link and then it goes for all your eBay. That's not the same. This is £44. It's probably be something simple that's wrong with it. I know, I need to think. Yeah, this is the exact same one. Dead, needs full recap. Do you reckon it's a capacitor issue? Why does he think it needs a recap? Only the odd very light scratch can be found. Fully stripped down and cleaned inside and out. CD optical laser professionally cleaned. It's totally dead. Needs full recap. No capacitors are leaking. No circuit board damage. I don't have the time to spend any more time on this unit. Why do you think it needs a recap? Are the recaps, they dried out? Do you reckon it's worth pulling a cap out and test it? See if it needs recapping? His mate told me he's a recap. I know. How does he know they need recapping? The caps look perfect. They look really clean. Probably something simple. Let's look for dry joints. So he would open it, put the disc in, close it, and then it's shut off. And now it's not even turning on at all. Caps dry over time. Yes, test the caps. All right, let me have a look first. Solder joints first. Now my scope's against this board. My scope's darker. The orientation keeps moving. I mean, the height keeps moving on this board, so it's going to be kind of hard to keep in focus. Because it's got its coating on, it's very unlikely that they will crack. It's got this weird clear coating. It does look a bit iffy, doesn't it? But it's not dry or cracked. It's the solder that cracks, yeah. It is the solder where the I don't see any cracks. I'm going for a nap. I'm not. Shit. Yeah, you're right, E.T. Hello, mate. Now it's going out of focus. Apparently, Technics are known for dry joints, but I don't see any. E.T. looking at me, infect me with your love and kill me with your poison. So many different joints everywhere. I can't see no cracks. Now I'm gonna eat some snacks. Yeah. So I've got my burger in the house waiting for me. Double burger. Just double cheeseburger. Nothing else. I don't mind cold McDonald's burgers. I've even checked the pins and all the chips. There should be some voltage reggies on the main board. Have you tested them yet? Plug in unit and check voltages first. We had 5 guys last night. Amazing. There's a lot of voltage regulators. Right now, I'm literally moving the board all over the place. I know there's no cracks. I've already gone through this. I don't know if I took them out and tested them. I don't know. I think I might have done. That's why it looks different as well. No, I don't know. Maybe I touched them up. How many? You had 5 guys last night, you dirty bastard. As many as 5. That's quite good. Oh dear. That's your starting point, Andy. Visual inspection is a starting point. Yeah, I can't bother to go through all this. I've already done all that. That's okay, Mike. There's tons of them. You got these little ones down here, which I believe they're probably just due to the headphone jack, whatever that is. It's in that little circuit. It's kind of isolated. So that kind of helps me a little bit. It means it's isolating to whatever, I guess, maybe. Ooh. What voltage are these? Oh, 16 volts. I found a little tingle. So I'm going to start off with these little ones first, but they're the only ones on there. There's no other ones on there. Apart from we've got these ones. Oh, we've got this one here. It's fine. Still concerned as to why this one does that, but it's fine. I've literally got to go around just testing every single one. Another little one there, another little one down here, down there, there. Oh, there's loads of them. That one I have no idea what that even is. These ones I've already tested underneath the board. There's a row of them under here. I think it's like these 3. Yeah. The main ones are 5-volt ones, so 7805 and 7812 as their main voltage regs. 7805s. There's different. I don't get those markings on here. It's not showing on the silk screen. That's a high number. It doesn't go that high. It's only 3-digit numbers. It should be around where on the capacitors are. There's capacitors everywhere. Unless you're on about these 2 big ones. FP12s, are these fuses? FP12s. They're in some sort of white casings. Chip numbers. Oh. Chip numbers? Oh, God. Alright, if they're chip numbers, let's see if it is fuses. And there must be fuses. Yeah, they're fine. So you're saying they are 70. 7X05. Yeah, there's 7X05. Yes, around it there. Yeah, okay. I've got 705 or 7X05, whichever number you said it was going to be. I've just tested that. That's fine. Oh, man. 7805 is 5 volts. Well, I've got 7X05, so I'm guessing that is the same one. Let me plug it in and see if I get in 5 volts. Because it's not showing a short, because I've already tested that one here. I'll have to plug it in and have a little test. It's just horrible, like resting this on a whole metal plate and not trying to get it to short out. Okay, that's sat down. Make sure they're not shorting. So I've got to test 7805. Three, two, one. We're on. Voltage DC. I am going to use the negative from the capacitor. And what are we reading on this side? We're reading nothing on that one. Nothing in the middle. Oh, great. May have if I turn the machine on. Let's press the power button. There you go. Now we're on. Silly me. So we're getting 12 volts. So I guess that's 12 volts in. And we got 12 volts in the middle. And then 14 volts. How does that work out? Where's this 5 volts you guys get in? 12, 12, and 14. Chip connection left to right is input and output. Okay. So we get nothing then. 1.4 from left to right. And it's bouncy. Bouncy, bouncy. But that's not how you read it though, is it? You don't go left to right there. You have to go to ground. And then read one side. What? And now I'm not getting it, eh? Middle pin is ground, so you should not have voltage over there. Oh, middle pin is ground. Well, I wasn't getting ground on here. Now I'm not getting any voltage. Like, why am I not getting any voltage now? It's gone. Oh yeah, that's ground now. Middle is ground. 1.7. Eh? It's like it's just died. Powering it on again. Ground. Yeah, I'm not getting anything on it. I was a minute ago. Hang on, that's not right. If that's a 5 or regulator, you should have 12 volts going in one and 5 coming out. Yeah, that's what I thought. But I was getting 12, 12, 14. No, something like that. But now I'm not actually. I've kind of lost it. I'm getting nothing. 12 volts there on that cap. But going to the regulator now. Oh, there you go. It's back again. Oh, I was on the wrong capacitor for some reason. 12 volts there. The middle, I'm getting 12 volts as well, which you guys say it should be ground, but apparently it's not. And the end one, I'm getting 14. Do I test that? Do I pull out the regulator and test it? Yeah, no worries, Arion. No worries at all. Why am I getting voltage across all 3 pins? Unless I try and probe middle and then left and right. Yeah, let me try that. I'll try that. Fuck, that made me jump then. Your black probe is not ground. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. So it's reading funny. It was ground on the capacitor, but it's not the same ground as that. Right, okay, let's try it. What are we reading there? Let's try this side. 1.7 volts. That's a bit low. That's in the middle pin and the right pin. And now if I do the middle pin still and the left pin, 0.3 volts. So it's like it's not even going in. Wait, is this AC still? Or DC? Oh, I don't understand this AC DC crap. It's after the bridge rectifier, so it should be DC. Yeah. No, I'm not getting any read. I'm not getting the 5 volts. I'm getting 1.7. Yeah, DC. 1.7 out. Or in. And then I'm going to get in 0.3-ish. Yeah, AC/DC is a rock band. Yeah. I'll take it out and test it. That'll be easier way. Oh, for God's sake, this bloody thing again. What is stopping it? There we go. Right. Is this fun? It's those 3 legs. Beep. Beep. Thank you. Oh, I hate the smell of old boards. I know it'd be easier just to stab them in the holes, but I can't bother to pull these out. Actually, though, I think at this point it might be worth doing. Yeah, all right. I'll just take these out and put them in the hole. Okay, here we go. Hello, Garrett. Been a while. It has, hasn't it? Yeah, it's fine. It's a PJ FET. Drain, gate, and source. Oh, you shouldn't be able to test it with that. Oh, well, What do you mean? It read it fine. Carthor. It's a smart multimeter. I mean, it's a smart reader. But that's not a voltage reg. Oh, no, it's not, is it? Well, it's marked up as 7X05. Maybe that's not the same number. That makes sense. I'm not going to read anything from there. It's a MOSFET anyway. That's what I thought. You said 7805 and it's 7X05. So I thought X is probably just another marking. It's obviously not it then. I don't see any other voltage regulators. I'll tell you what, I'll measure all of these ones round here on this circuit here. Let me just pop this back in its home. No, that's not a reg. Yes, it is a voltage reg. What is it? Yes or no? That should be a voltage reg. Thanks, Garrett. Thank you. But it's reading not. It's not reading a voltage regulator though. No, it's an M5926L. That is not a regulator, right? Beep. No, don't fall. Don't cry. Second line is period when it was produced. God damn it. Okay, well that's been pushed back in. Maybe a bit too far out. Ah, it's fucking hot. There you go. Oh look, guys, by the way. Ooh. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, pretty. I love this thing. It's not a voltage rec. What is it, Symbol Tech? Yeah, flash cart. Love it. I've got like over 1,040 games, I think it is now. Yeah, 1,044 games. My recent games is... Yeah, where am I...
Best.
Thanks. Where's my recent games gone? They were there. Oh, there they are. Yeah. I've been playing Harry Potter recently. Completed... Yeah. No, never mind. I deleted the ones that I completed. I need the part number. Oh, you want me to show you under the overhead cam of the ones? Right. So I thought it was this guy, which the markings on it is M... Can't read what that is. M5236L. It's a voltage regulator. Well, what is it? It's not reading as a voltage regulator. Well, actually, it's reading a PJ FET, adjustable voltage reg. So it is a voltage regulator. So was the reading in the machine fine? Because it says it's a PJ FET. Damn it. I should have Googled the part and then compare it. Check with the meter instead of the machine. What, for shorts? There's no shorts on it. I'm not getting the correct readings in voltages. I'm getting 1.7 volts. But that might not be the 5-volt regulator. That might just be its normal other operating regulator diode mode. Or being middle positive. Middle red. Yeah, you know what I'm on about. Red probe center. Red probe ground. 0.5 volts that side. 0.12 on the other side. All right, guys, I'm going to go for an hour because I'm going to have my food and then I'll pick up my daughter and then I'll come back at 3. I'll try and do a bit of Googling on this thing as well while I wait for my daughter. That's what we said, Symbol Tech. 1.5, 33 volt reg. Okay, well, I'm getting 1.7 volts, Garrett, so I guess that's normal.
I've got a really small one.
Have you, James? I just don't want to take out
I'm not joking. It's like...
Is it MK? Okay, bye then. I'm going. I just want to take out every single transistor and test them. Can I test them all in diode mode? Let's try this one. 0.5. 0.5, so that reads fine. See, now it's reading open line on that one. But it's the same bloody chip. Open line. Why is this one open line? What's different about this one then? Why is this one different? And this one? And this one's not reading either. Is it not the same chip? I can't see. Neither can you. So it's D1862. What's that one at the back? B124. Oh, they're different. So that's a diode. Have you output voltage both of them? Have you output voltage on both of what, Garrett? There's power going to all the chips. Oh, just got to be careful, don't scratch his disc. No, I'm going. Oh, on these, output on both of these. Oh, I don't know. I guess I'm gonna have to check that. Yeah, I'm gonna go have my hour's break. All right, guys. I'll come back after I've had a coffee and whatnot and food, and then come back. Thanks everyone for sticking around, and I will see you at 3. Going in 3. You're welcome, Pico. 2, 1. Everyone's going. Bye. See you in a bit.